Okay, today I'm going to show you how you protect yourself against hackers. So we going to download the plugin. I'm going to click on plugins and click on add new. And I'm going to search here for WordPress. That is the plugin that we are going to use. It's a really popular plugin. It's got more than 1 million installs. You can see that right over there, right over here. So I'm going to click on install now. And I'm going to activate this plugin. Okay, now I'm going to navigate to the WordPress tab. Right over there. There. So I'm going to click on the firewall or the dashboard. Dashboard first. So this is your dashboard of WordPress. You can scan your site against malware and you can manage your firewall. So I'm going to click on manage firewall. Okay. Alright, these are all attacks. So you're fully protected from all those attacks. So hackers can't use this method anymore. These are the most popular hack methods, SQL injection and cross-site scripting. So those are really dangerous attacks. So you're protected from them now. So I'm going to click on scan, and you will see that you can scan here for malware. So I'm not going to run a scan because it took too long, but you can take you can do the scan by yourself. So yeah, and this is probably your login amped, how many people try to log in on your website. And when I click on dashboard again, here you can manage your firewall. So I'm going to click on manage firewall. You see that there is one update available for a plugin to keep your site more secure. So yeah, and here you can select how many times people want to log in. So if they log it in after 4 amped, they will get blocked or something else. You can set that amount by yourself. And right over here, you can block Google crawlers and all that kind of stuff. So this is a really good plugin. You don't have to do anything actually, only activate the plugin and activate the firewall. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.